All right, guys, we're going to be talking about the dollar Swiss, and I'm going to use this as an alternative if the dollar decides to go down. If the dollar decides to respect the 12,600 level and just rips apart the 12,500 level, the 12,550 level, I'm sorry, yeah, the 12,550 level. Here, let me bring back the dollar index. So I'm going to use this dollar index just in case the 12,600 level works out and it breaks this 550 level and then just comes back up and gives me that retrace, then yeah, I'll be looking for the dollar Swiss to actually short this. So I kind of have my so once again, let me, before I keep on going, there's really nothing to talk about. I mean, it's just, I don't really swing trade this pair unless I really see something really interesting. But There's really not much to talk about the monthly levels. Let's go ahead and bring it down to the weekly. It's just respecting that weekly resistance, respecting the weekly support. Let's go ahead and bring it down daily, and this is where it's going to catch our attention here. Um, Daily supply way up here. Yeah, I could have actually said, that was I should have actually wrote that one down. That's much better. But at any rate, I'm not really interested on that because I'm what I'm about to show you guys right now. So that's my daily demand right there. Not really interested once again on these higher time frames. I'm looking for more, maybe on the lower time frames, maybe even to the 1 hour. But what I'm trying to bring up to this situation though right now is that I'm not interested um, in going long on this pair because if the dollar index decides to actually work on its way down, I would not take it any further down than this 96.75, 96.50 area. And that's as low as I'll bring it down because um, at that point, then yeah, I'm expecting it to push up. This is 4 hour. This is daily demand. I'm not waiting for anything. As a matter of fact, if you look at this on the 1 hour, this is where it actually gets interesting because you could do the same thing I do on the higher time frames, and you could just do it on the lower time frames because we ripped out this pivot right there. That just I mean, not only did we get anchor breaks, right? It just ripped out that pivot right there. We came back up towards for the retracement. My typical levels would be the 97.25, 97.30, 97.50 stop loss. So you already have the entry, which is right there, right? And then if the dollar decides that, yeah, you know what, we're going to be dropping the dollar for this week, I mean, your risk reward is pretty well. I mean, that's a 3 to 1, easily more than a 3 to 1, right? Um, so yeah, I'll be looking at the dollar Swiss if I see signs that the dollar index wants to actually come down. Um, but this is more of a day trade, guys, and there's really nothing much to talk about this dollar Swiss for as far as doing swing trades on this pair, guys. All right, guys, I'll talk to you guys. I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care.